Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video I'll be showing you how you can add a video in Google Slides. So let's go to the Google Slide. I'm choosing blank. Now if you want to add a video here, just go to insert and you have to go video. Then you will see here Google Drive. You can upload a YouTube video also here. I have already make this video. You can see this from the channel. Or if you want to add another video, you have to go to Google Drive. If you have already uploaded some video in Google Drive, then you can choose from here. Or if you want to upload another videos, you have to go your Google Drive first. Then click on this. Then you can upload any videos here first. Upload, choose any video. Here is video uploading. Now go to your presentation, insert or video, Google Drive, and you can find this video here. Come in, just click on this and just click on insert. After that your video is uploaded in the Google Slide here. Okay, so if you want to view this video, you have to wait until it is full uploaded.
Hey guys,
okay, so if you want to add just the video, you can do it by just clicking on this from the mouse. You can make it big like this. And you can do this thing like this. Then you can run it. Just click on the middle button and it will be run. So guys, this is how you can add a video in Google Slides. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.